Watch me rest away. Look at his ass.
Right up your ass! Come on, Hendrix. Come on.
Look at his ass.
Right up your ass. I'll pull your intestines out. What do you think of that, you big homo? Hey, Benny. Hey, come here, boy. Now, bend over. Come on.
I told
I'll
you,
clear
you
her with your